Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to check your credit score in RBC. So in order to check your credit score, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, go ahead and open up a browser, and then on the web address bar, you need to go ahead and type in rbc.com and then log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap the sign in button and then log in into your account. Once logged in, you need to scroll down. Once logged in, you need to scroll down to the box on the right hand side labeled My Services. As you do that, in the My Services box, select View Your Credit Score. Then you can just review the legal disclaimer and select Continue. After that, you can review the credit view dashboard agreement and select I accept and continue, and you'll be able to view your credit score in RBC online banking account. So that is how you can view your credit score in online banking account of RBC. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.